I did not do a video making this today because it took so long to do. And this is I call it a fiery chess set. And I love it. I don't know what it's going to turn out like when I finished it, when it's cured. But, you know, we get these surprises. That's my drip mould pyramid. So we'll see what that's like when that comes out. But I'm amazed with that chess set. I love the colours. It looks better in person than it does in a video or in a photo. That is my bloom, so to speak. So we shall see what that's like. I've got to do the white in about half an hour. Then I've got, that's my white that I'm going to use. Then we've got my chess pieces. They're all done. They're all done. My other bloom that I've done. My dominoes that I'm waiting on that have been done. And yeah, I think they look really good. My dragons that I did, I love those dragons. I love that one, but I'm not so keen on that one. It's too light. There's no back into it. But yeah, so these are the creations of today. I'm really pleased. So I'm hoping all the bubbles are out. I haven't seen any. I have squeezed them all. That's just a... Oh, there's a bubble on there. I'll get rid of that in a minute. But yeah, I think they're really good. I love it. It's been such a rainy day today that it's a rainy day creation day. And why not? But coming back to this, wow. I can't wait. Oh yeah, there's my little sphere I made and my little pineapple. It looks really good. So yeah, I'll add the white to this and then that's looking really good so far. But yeah, rainy day craft day. So yeah, as I said, it just took so long to do. And excuse me, I didn't mix up enough resin to cover the whole base, but I had done now. And I'm just hoping that it will look good when it's out. It's so shiny. It looks so good. I can't wait. And yeah, my mould mess. But we'll ignore that anyway. So yeah, I will come back tomorrow because I've done enough today. That's all in a day. And my phone keeps changing. I think it's got an enhancer on it. But yeah, I'll come back to that tomorrow and demold it all and see what it's all like. So don't forget to show me some love. Like, share, subscribe, please. I am new to this and I just want to share with you what I create. I don't normally do tutorials, but because I'm new to this and I just make what's in my head. So thank you for watching and drop a comment if there's anything that you want to see. I do have lots more moulds coming. I've got a carousel to build. I've got my pyramid to make. If you've got any ideas, then drop them in the comments and then I can see what I can do. I mean, I've got that to do. I've got that one to do. Those letters, flowers, bits and pieces. I've got another mould mess going on down here with my pineapples, my heart. I've got my thinking people. I've got a lot to do. So drop me some comments. Let me know what to build. Let me know what to craft next. And yeah, we'll get it done. Thanks for watching. Until next time.